Hi everybody, and once again welcome to Pankaj Sir's Echelon Tutorials. Uh, this is part 4 of sequence and functions, and let us get started. You can see on the screen question number 1. It says work out the equation for this function machine and table the values as well. So you can see the function machine is given over here x. This blank places you have to fill up, and this table is given to you to help you in filling these blank places. Okay. So x is 1 and y is 5, x is 2, y is 8, x is 3, y is 11. So what can be filled up in these blanks? Okay, so if I try to put position to term rule, okay, it should be x times 3, okay, plus 2. Okay, so 1 into 3 is 3, plus 2 will be 5. Then 2 into 3 will be 6, plus 2 will be 8. So that works. Okay, so my answer should be times 3 plus 2. Okay, that works for this. B part of this question is x is 4, y is 13, x is 5.5, y is 19, and x is 7 and y is 25. Now there are two options given here, y is equal to 3x plus 1 or y is equal to 4x minus 3, which is correct. So let us check both. Okay, so if you try 3x plus 1, it should be 4 into 3, 12 plus 1, 13. That's correct. 5.5 into 3 is 16.5. 16.5 plus 1 happens to be 17.5. But here you are having 19. So this is not the right one. Y equal to 3x plus 1. Let us check this one. 4x minus 3. 4 4s are 16. 16 minus 3 is 13. That's correct. 5.5 into 4 is I think 5.5 into 4. Let me check it. Okay, let me do the year only. 5.5 times 4. Okay, 5 4s are 20, 0, 2 carried. 5 4s are 20, 22. This 22 and 22 minus 3 is 21. Okay, 22 minus 3. No, 22 minus 3 is 19. Okay, which is given over here also. So that's correct. Let us check the last one also. 7 times 4 will be 7 4s are 28, and 28 minus 3 is 25. So this is the correct one. 4x, right? So my function will be times 4 and then minus 3. Okay, that was question number 1. Let us move on to question number 2. Now here you have to copy and complete the inverse function machine, and you have to write the equation. Okay, so x plus 2 gives you y. So y is equal to x plus 2. This is the function. Now you have to write the inverse function. So inverse function can be written in this way. When y goes as your input, okay, your x output should be x. Okay, so x will be equal to, now this plus 2, the inverse of plus 2 is minus 2. Okay, so y minus 2, this will be the answer. Okay, okay, let me write this answer in this thing. Yeah, so inverse of plus 2 will be minus 2, and the function will be y minus 2 equals to x, right? This will be the equation. Okay, and this is the minus 2 will be the uh, function machine. Okay, next one, b is x divided by 4 is y. So y is equal to x divided by 4. So here basically I'll get x equal to 4 times y. Now y will be the input, and division, inverse of division is multiplied by 4. This should give me x. Okay, so x is equal to 4y. This is what we get equation. The third one is okay, this will be y input. So this is multiplied by 8, this will be divided by 8. Again, a second function, this is minus 3, so this will be plus 3. Here you should get x. So your equation will be x will be equal to y divided by 8, okay, and then plus 3. This is the equation, right? Inverse. Let us go to the next question. 8, 9, 10, 11. This has to be uh, okay. If you take n equal to 1, 4 ones are 4. 4 minus 2 will be 2. This doesn't work. Okay, this works. When n is equal to 1, 7 plus 1 will be 8. When n is equal to 2, 7 plus 2 will be 9. Okay, so this matches with this. 4, 8, 12, 16. Okay, so this should be 4n. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16. So this is 4n. Now minus 3 should match with this. 1 minus 4 is minus 3 that you are getting here. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. 3 minus 4 is minus 1 and 4 minus 4 is 0. So this should go to n minus 4. Next is 7, 14, 21. So this is obviously your 7n. 6, 8, 10. So how it will be? Okay. Now 2 ones are 2 plus 4 is 6. So you are getting the first term 6. 2 twos are 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. You are getting the second term. So this goes with this, right? And the last one, 2, 6, 10, 14. Obviously, you are left with only 4 and minus 2. So this will go to this. So that was question number 3. Question number 4. You can see the patterns given over here. First pattern, second pattern, third pattern. Sub question A is write the sequence of the number of squares. So the sequence will be here how many squares I can see? It is 3. Here I can see 5. Here I can see 7. Okay. So 3, 5, 7 is the sequence of the number of squares. So can I write here 3, 5, 7, and we'll go on. Write down the term to term rule. Now I can see that 2 is getting added every time. Okay. So the first term is 3 and then 2 is getting added. Right. So should I do? Okay. So first term, now let me write term to term rule. Okay. So term to term rule will be 3 plus 2, 5. First term is 3. Okay. So my A is 3. D is my 2. So my term to term rule should be an is equal to 3 plus n minus 1 times 2. That is 3 plus 2n minus n minus 1, 2. So this is 2n plus 1. This is my term to term rule. Okay. The answer for this is 2n plus 1. Okay. Now draw the next pattern. Our next pattern should be what? According to the term to term rule. Now from 7 it should go to 9. Okay, the number of squares should be 9. So on the bottom row there was 2, then 3, 2, then 3, and then 5. So now it will be 7 at the bottom. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, right? And on the top I'll get 1, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. This is my fourth pattern, and the next this should be 13. Okay, next term should be 13, right? So we have drawn the next pattern, that is 2, then 3, then 4. No, this is wrong. It should have been only 5 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so I'll have to remove this much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then so this should be 9. Okay, should be 9 squares, right? Okay, so it works now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so this was the answer for C. Now copy and complete the table. Find the position to term rule. Now position to term rule, this was term to term rule. Okay, position to term rule will be first position. If you multiply by 2, it will be 2 ones are 2. Okay, plus something should give me this 3. So plus 1 if I do, I'll get 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3. Okay, then for position 2, it will be 2 twos are 4. 4 plus 1 will be 5. Okay. Then for 3, it will be 3 twos are 6 plus 1, 7. And 4 twos are 8 plus 1, 9. Okay. So for 2n, I should get 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 3 twos are 6, and 4 twos are 8. So this is according to my 2n plus 1. This is my term position to term rule. Okay. So I'm writing here. The answer for this is 2n plus 1. Can you see? This is the position to term rule. Okay. Term to term rule was also same, 2n plus 1. Position to term rule also 2n plus 1. That clear? Okay. Now, next question. Can you see there are 3 patterns given over here? Okay. So write the sequence of the number of dots. So sequence of the number of dots should be in the first one pattern. I have 6 dots. In the second, I have 10 dots. In the third, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 14 dots. Okay. So this is the sequence of the number of dots. Write the term to term rule. So term to term rule in the first pattern, I have 6. Okay. So A is equal to 6. And then 4 goes on adding. So D is equal to 4. So my pattern will be A plus n minus 1 times D is so it will be 6 plus n minus 1 times D is how much? 4. This will be 6 plus 4n minus 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. So 2 plus 4n. So this is my term to term rule. It has to be 2n, 2 plus 4n. Or you can write 4n plus 2. 1 and the same. Draw the next pattern. So in the next pattern, you have to add 4. So there will be 18 circles. So for 18 circles, I'll have to take 9, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 9 on the top also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So this is my fourth pattern. This is the answer for C. D is copy and write and complete the position to term rule. Okay. So this is position number 1. Now if I multiply by 2, it will be 2 twos are 2 ones are 2, and plus 4 if I do, it will be 2 plus 4 is 6. Here it will be 4 plus no, this 2 twos are 4, 4 plus 6. No, this doesn't work. So it should be 3 ones are 3 plus 3 is 6. 2 threes are 6. 6 plus no, this doesn't work. Okay. Let us see what can be work. What is working over here? Position to term rule. Okay. So 2n will make it 2, 4, 6, and 8. 2, 4, 6, and 8 plus 4 will be 2 to the 4 plus no, it's not working. Let us try 4. So 4 ones are 4 plus 2 will be 6. Yeah. So if I multiply this by 4, this will be 4 into 1 will be 4. 4 into 2 will be 8. 4 into 3 will be 12. And 4 into 4 will be 16. Now let me complete these terms. This is 6 and 10, and next will be 14. Okay, and the fourth one will be 18, right? 9 and 9, 18, right? So I'll get 18 over here. Okay, so this is 4n. Now what should I add to 4 to get 6? 2. What should I add to 8 to get 10? Again 2. What should I add to 12 to get 14? Again 2. So 4n plus 2 gives me here 4 plus 2, 6, 8 plus 2, 10, 12 plus 2, 14, and 16 plus 2, 18. Yeah. So this is working, and my position to the term rule should be 4n plus 2. This is my answer for position to the term rule. Okay. Last question. Write down the position to term rule for this 2. Okay, for this one, now this is direct. We have to write the position to term rule. So position number 1, if you take, okay, 2, 3, these are the position number. So first let me multiply this position number n by 5. So this will be 5n. So 5n will be 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. Okay. So position number 1 will be 5n. Position number 2 will be 5 2s are 10, but our term is 15. Okay. So what we can do here is 5 ones are 5 plus 2. Okay. So 5 ones are 5 plus 5, let us do. 5 ones are 5 plus 5 will be 10. So you are getting this first term. 5 2s are 10 plus 5 will be 15. We are getting the second term. 5 3s are 15 plus 5 will be 20. So this is working. So my position to term rule must be 5n plus 5. So the answer for this is 5n plus 5. This is the position to term rule. Okay, let us try to find the position to term rule for this. The first term is 10. So 1, 2, 3. First term is 10. Second term is 30. This is 50. And the fourth term is 70. Okay. Now suppose I do 5 into 1, 5n. These are my n, right? So this will be 5n will be 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. Okay. But my terms are 10, 30. Okay. That doesn't work. Okay. Let us try. Now, can you see this is 1, 3, 5, 7. These are odd numbers. Okay. So, in general, for odd numbers, 2n minus 1 can be written. Okay. General form. 2n minus. So, 2 ones are 2. 2 minus 1, 1. Then 2 twos are 4. 4 minus 1, 3. Then 2 threes are 6. 6 minus 1, 5. 2 fours are 8. 8 minus 1, 7. But you can see here there are 10, 20, 30, 50, 70. So, just multiply this by 10. So I get the answer as 10 times 2n minus 1. This is the position to term rule for B. So I think that's all for today. So I have given you some on sequence and function. I have given you 4 different videos in 4 parts. Okay, and that I think is sufficient. And next video I will come up with some new topic. Till then, goodbye. Take care, all of you.